In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Google Photos to laptop. By the end, you will know exactly how to grab the pictures you want and save them to your computer in just a few clicks. First, open your preferred web browser Chrome, Edge, Safari, or Firefox all work, and go to photos.google.com. Make sure your internet connection is steady so the page can load your images quickly and without interruptions. Next, sign into your Google account using the same account where your photos are stored. After you log in, you will land on the main Google Photos page. This is your library. You will see a grid of thumbnails organized by date, along with a search bar at the top. Give it a moment. If you have a large collection, the thumbnails may take a second to appear. Now it's time to choose what you want to transfer. Hover over any photo and click the small check mark that appears in the corner to select it. You can select as many as you need. If you want to grab a range in one go, click the first image, hold Shift, and then click the last image in that range. To refine your choices, click a check mark again to deselect. As you click, notice a counter at the top showing how many items you've marked. This is handy if you are gathering a specific batch or working from a checklist. You can keep scrolling and continue selecting. Your earlier choices will stay highlighted. With your photo selected, look to the top right of the page for the three-dot menu, sometimes called More Options. Click it, then choose Download. As soon as you do, Google Photos will prepare your files. For multiple selections, it may bundle them into a single zip file to make transfer easier. Your browser will start the download automatically and save the file to your default downloads folder, unless you've set it to ask each time. If your browser asks for permission to save files from this site, confirm to proceed. Avoid closing the tab while the archive is being prepared, and let the download begin before navigating away. That's it. Thanks for watching.